Retirees have worked hard all of their lives to save money in their individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, to enjoy a comfortable retirement. There are a couple of ages that are important in regards to IRAs. At 59 and a half, the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, will allow the IRA holder to access the money without a 10% penalty. And at the age of 70 and a half, the IRS mandates that an individual must start withdrawing a required minimum distribution, or RMD, from the appropriate IRS distribution chart. These distributions continue through the rest of the IRA holders' lives, and for tax purposes are treated as ordinary income by the IRS to the individual. If the retiree has realized they are not in need of this money, typically, they would like to leave this money untouched in order not to pay tax on it. However, the government mandates its distribution to receive its tax from the amount that has been deferred. For many retirees, they would like the ability to ensure their surviving spouse will be well taken care of in the event of death. Unfortunately, the surviving spouse is most likely left with just a fraction of what was initially in the IRA. However, if there was a way for a retiree to take their distributions from their IRA and be guaranteed to leave more money to their spouse or beneficiaries, regardless of interest rate or market fluctuations, would that be of interest? Of course it would be, and now you can. Here's a hypothetical example. A 70-year-old man with a $100,000 IRA, assuming a 0% return, would have to take out $3,650 in the first year. Each year, the RMD percentage is adjusted according to the IRS's RMD table. Over the next 15 years, the IRA would pay out $55,739 in required minimum distribution, leaving a remaining cash value of $44,261. Through the power of the Balanced Allocation Annuity 12, and the Family Endowment Rider, a client can take their required minimum distributions and maximize the death benefit paid to their heirs. The Family Endowment Rider is an enhanced death benefit rider that can be purchased with the Balanced Allocation Annuity. The Family Endowment Rider guarantees a 4% minimum interest rate until the maximum age is attained or the contract is terminated, whichever comes first. The RMDs come out and the 4% accumulates, thus maximizing the benefits paid to the heirs. For example, our 70-year-old male purchases the Balanced Allocation Annuity 12 with the Family Endowment Rider. At a 0% return, over the next 15 years, he takes out $55,739 in RMDs and has a remaining accumulation value of $44,261. Since he added the Family Endowment Rider, he now has a death benefit of $101,714 to leave to his beneficiaries. Remember, this is at a 0% rate of return. If the market returns better than 0% over the course of those 15 years, those figures will get even higher. For a custom illustration to see how the Balanced Allocation Annuity with the Family Endowment Rider could work for you, contact your insurance professional now